everyone. How are you? Everybody is good?
Good, thank you.
So sit in on your mat. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Bring awareness to your body and to your mind, to your breath. Now we'll start our today's class by chanting one time of Om. Take a deep inhale. Om. Bring both palms together in front of your heart center. Rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. Gently bow down your head towards God and ask God to give us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Now we will do today, we will continue yesterday where we have left our Ashtanga series. Can anybody know? Can anybody tell? The last pose what we have done yesterday. Anyone remember the last pose? Okay, just stand up on mat.
We've done the standing postures, but I can't remember the last one.
You can show me the posture, so I also get remembered what was the last
No,
pose.
this is the thing. I know we've done the standing one, but I don't exactly remember the very last one.
Yeah, same. I also forget, but it's okay. We will continue from somewhere. Just sit in, stand up on your mat, come in front. Take 1 feet distance from a mat. Okay, now we'll start with sun salutation A of Ashtanga. Ekam inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Training inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chaturanga exhale, jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Sapta bend your both knees, jump front into halfway lookup. Astu exhale, go fully forward down. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Second round, Ekam inhale, again raise your both arms up. Do exhale, go fully forward down. Training inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta bend your both knees, again jump front. Ashto exhale, go fully forward down. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Third round again, Ekam inhale. Do exhale. Training inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta again, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto exhale, go forward down. Nava inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samastiti. Fourth round, Ekam inhale. Stretch, do exhale. Keep your muscles activate while doing poses. Don't lose your muscles. Training inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale. Shat exhale. Sapta again, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Save Samasthiti. Fifth round, again, Ekam, inhale. Two, exhale. Treni, inhale. Chatwari, exhale. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, again, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now we'll start with sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your both knees, raise your both arms up for the chair pose Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend forward down. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, again jump back. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasa, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, go forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, again, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend forward down for Uttanasana. Treni, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, again jump front. Shodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, again, Ekam, inhale. Chair pose. Do exhale. Treni, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front again for warrior A. Ashto, exhale. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasa, exhale. Panchadasa, bend your both knees and jump front. Shodasa, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Again, Ekam, inhale. Fourth round. So exhale. Treni, inhale. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Ashto, exhale, jump back chaturanga. Nava, inhale, urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, adhomukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back chaturanga. Devadasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale, hold there. Panchadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasha, exhale, go fully forward down. Saptadasha, inhale, all the way come up for Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, again, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. So exhale, go forward. Three, inhale, look front. Chattwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior B. Ashto, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Nava, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dasha, exhale, Adhomukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior B. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasha, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasha, exhale. Saptadasha, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now do Katikasana.
I think we finished Janu Shirsasan yesterday.
We finished Anusishasana. Then we will go for Marichasana. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, now again, come front. We'll start. Take a inhale, raise your both arms up over your head for Urdhva Vrikshasana. Do exhale, go fully forward down for Uttanasana. Three, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front for Marichasana A. First jump into Dandasana, bend your right leg at the knee. Bend your right leg like this and grab your right leg with your right hand and grab your left wrist behind your back. Look up. In this position, you have to come. Okay, I'll show you from this left. Inhale. Ashto, exhale, go fully forward down and try to touch your head on your knee or on your shin, wherever you can reach. And hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nava, inhale, come up. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Try it. It's okay if you cannot, if you can do it, but just try, give it a try. Dwadasa, inhale, Urdhmukha, upward facing dog. And Triyodasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Chaturdasa, again, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your left leg at the knee and grab your left leg with your left hand and grab your right wrist behind your back. Panchadasa, again, bend fully forward down and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sodasa, inhale, come up. from here. On 16, you have to inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Saptadasa, inhale, lift yourself up. And then exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Saptadasa, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. So again, now we'll do Marichasana B. Again, Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your right knee over your left thigh. Bend your right knee over your left thigh and bend your left leg at the knee. First, you have to bend your right feet on your left thigh and then bend your left knee and grab your left leg. Inhale. Ashta, exhale, go fully forward down and try to touch your head on the floor if you can. Okay, so Megda ji, look, if I will put my leg like this, if I will put my leg like this, even I cannot bend. See, look, I can fall it down. You have to place your left feet on starting of your femur bone, on the edge of your thigh. Yeah, then you can try bending your left knee and push your right knee on the floor. Yeah, now, yes, now it is better. शीतल जी, आपका मुझे दिख नहीं रहा, कैमरा थोड़ा ऊपर है, नीचे करिए. रेखा जी, आपका भी सही है, बस नी को पुश करिए. ओके. Ashta, exhale down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, okay, ठीक है. जो आपका if your left knee is falling out like this, just try to keep it in just straight of your hip. Do not fall your knee like this out. शीतल जी, हाँ, फिर सीधा रखिए. And then try to grab it and just go forward. Again, Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, drop your palm on the floor. Dasha, inhale, lift yourself up. From there only, you have to lift yourself up. And Ekadasa, exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Okay, I'll show you. Just from here, trying lifting yourself up. And then open your legs and come into Chaturanga. Just try. If you cannot do it, it's okay. Inhale, upward facing dog. Devadasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Chaturdasa, again bend your knee, jump front. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh. Now bend your left leg over your right thigh and bend your right leg also at the knee and grab your right knee, right feet with your right hand. Right leg with your right hand, sorry. Like this again, same. This one. Exhale, bend forward down and grab. And then Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sodasa, exhale, inhale. Sodasa, inhale, come up. Exhale, place your both palms on the floor. Saptadasa, inhale, lift yourself up. Ashtadasa, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Ekona Vinchate Urdhmukha, upward facing dog, and Vinchate Adhomukha. Ekona Vinchati matlab 90 and Vinchati matlab 20. Okay, now we'll do Marichasana C. Again, bend your legs Sapta, inhale, jump. Bend your right leg at the knee. Place your right palm behind your back. Inhale, lift your left arm. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, grab your left leg with your right leg with your left hand. And then you can grab your leg like this. Inhale and exhale, again look back. If you cannot grab, you can just try to bend your elbow and just push your right shoulder more back. Opposite, very good. Hold one. Push करिए, शीतल push करिए और पीछे. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Ashto, inhale, lift yourself up. Nava, exhale, jump back chaturanga. Dasa, inhale, upward facing dog. Ekadasa, downward facing dog. Dwadasa, again bend your both knees, jump front. Now we will do the same thing with our another leg. Dwadasa, exhale, jump front, inhale for it. And bend your left leg at the knee. And grab your left leg with your right hand. And hold. Exhale, look back and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, look front. Press your palms on the floor. Trivadasa, inhale, lift yourself up. Chaturdasa, exhale, jump back. Panchadasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shodasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Now again bend your both legs and jump into Maricha Asana D. Now how you have to do the D, Maricha Asana D? Again bend your right leg over your left thigh. Bend your right leg over your left thigh. Bend your left leg at the knee. Again, place your left palm down. Inhale, lift your right arm up. And exhale, grab your right leg. Just if you cannot grab it from there, you can place your elbow and just twist yourself. Right elbow on your left knee. Yes, right. And look back towards your left shoulder. If you cannot reach, left. Megda ji, very nice. Hold there. Very good. Hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, press your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Nava, inhale. Ekadasa, exhale, downward facing dog. Now again, Dwadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Now bend your left feet over your right leg. Now we'll change our leg. And bend your right leg at the knee. Now place your left elbow on your right knee and exhale, look back. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look, inhale, look front. Exhale, place your palms on the floor. Triyodasa, inhale, lift yourself up. Chaturdasa, exhale, jump back Chaturanga. Panchadasa, inhale Urdhmukha. Shodasa, exhale Adhomukha. Stay in downward facing dog. Take few breaths. Now bend your sapta, bend your both knees, jump into boat pose, Naukasana. Go. Hold one. Keep your knees straight, keep your back straight. Don't bend your back like this. If you cannot keep your back straight, you can bend your knee and stay in this half boat pose. Hold one, two. Keep your back straight, open your chest, look towards the ceiling. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, press your palms, lift yourself up. And again, second round of Naukasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, third round, exhale, lift, and then come for the third round. Try to lift. Hold again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, exhale, drop your palm, lift up for fourth round. Drop. Naukasana. Hold 1. Again, boat pose. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, drop down your palms. Inhale again, lift yourself up and exhale. Last round, fifth round. 5. Keep the core engaged. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, drop your palms down. Ashta, inhale, lift yourself up. And now exhale, jump back again to Chaturanga. Dasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Ekadasa, exhale, Adhomukha. Now our next pose is Bhujya Pidasana. This pose is little bit difficult to do in one way, one go. So I will split the pose. First, I will show you the pose how you have to do it. Bhujya Pidasana in one go. So look here, everybody. So from downwards, please. From downward facing dog, you have to jump. Okay, then here you have to hold, and then again inhale, lift, Bakasana, and then jump back. So this is in one go. You can do Bhujya Pidasana. If you practice regularly, Ashtanga, you will get it. But for beginners, you can try first bend, half bend, and then one by one cross your leg. Hold here first. Try to hold here. Okay, now Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front into Bhujya Pidasana. Cross your leg and exhale, bend down, touch your head if you can. If you cannot, just hold it there. Touch your head on the floor and take your both feet back, pointing towards back side. Your toes should be pointing back side. 2, hold there. 3, 4, and 5. Now inhale, straight your leg, coming to Bakasana if you can. And exhale, Dasa, exhale, jump back, Chaturanga. Ekadasa, inhale, Urdhmukha. Dwadasa, exhale, Adho. Just stay in Adho Mukha, downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe out. Now we'll do Kurmasana and Supta Kurmasana. Okay. Now bend your both knees, Sapta, and again jump into Dandasana. See, if you will do Kurmasana, so in Kurmasana, we will put our hands like this one by one, and then just we will straight our leg front. So for that, if in one go you have to do it, so you have to jump into Bhujapidasana, the previous asana we have done, and from that asana only you have to flat yourself. So it is difficult. That's why I have first told you to jump and straight your leg, and then one by one put your both shoulders under your leg. Put your both shoulder under your leg. And just inhale, straight your leg front. Inhale, straight your leg front and try to touch your belly on the floor and chest on the floor and then chin on the floor. Take your both hands by the side and hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now Kurmasana is a little bit difficult. You have to cross your leg front. Now cross your leg. Keep your hands there only. And just try to cross your legs. And then you have to put your head down inside your leg. It's okay, do short, do not do full.
The screen is frozen.
Yes?
The screen is frozen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's okay now again.
Now from there only you have to inhale, lift yourself up from this position only. Press one by one with the palm and then lift and then exhale, go back into Chaturanga from directly there. But you just do it simple way. You can go. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we will do Garbha Pindasana. Sapta again. Jump front. Now bend your legs one by one for Padmasana. Padma, lotus pose. And now you have to try to put your hands one by one. One leg you have to put here, another leg you have to put here. Your feet will be back and you have to put your hand between your legs. For this, you need a very good lotus pose, flexible, and yes, your clothes will also affect. If you will wear shorts, your hand will go easily, but in like trouser or lower, it will not go easily. So just try to sit in lotus pose, but if you can put your hand, you just try it one time. Put your hands here between your calf muscles and your thigh muscle. It's little bit hard, रेखा जी. अभी आपका लोटस पोज उतना फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं हुआ है कि आपके फीट यहाँ चले जाएं, उसके बाद फिर वो इजीली हो जाता है. So just stay in lotus pose for few time. अभी इसमें ये शीतल जी, इसमें इसकी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, खोल दीजिए थोड़ा. वेरी नाइस. Naringa is showing you. Naringa, show it once again. You can see Naringa. How she. No, Naringa, you are that right. The left feet will inside. Your hand will be front and your leg will be here. You will put your leg here, then your hand will come like this. So in lower, it's very difficult. Just try to
This is
use
how
some.
I am. This is how I am. Sorry. Look, the
Okay.
arm is inside. And the arm is
Okay.
inside.
शीतल जी जो आपका ये आगे लेफ्ट लेग the leg which is in front, left leg, it will go behind your hand. Yes. It will not stay here. First you have to make Padma. It's okay. Now lift yourself up. Next pose is Kutkutasana. In the same way, you have to put your hand down and then you have to lift yourself up. Even my hand doesn't go inside. Yeah. Yes. Narendra is doing, but not correct, but it's better. Now drop yourself, open your legs and jump back into Chaturanga. Now try to jump into Chaturanga. Stay there, bend your knees, relax yourself into child pose for few seconds. Okay, again come for the downward facing dog. Coming to downward facing dog. Now bend your both knees, Sapta, bend your both knees, again jump front into Dandasana. Then I'll show you, you have to bend your leg like this for butterfly position, but we will do Baddha Konasana. You have to turn your feet upward. Lower feet should be facing towards the ceiling. Like this, you have to turn your feet. Inhale, straight your spine. Exhale, bend down and try to touch your chin on the floor. On the floor, don't touch your chin on your feet. Chin or forehead on the floor. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come up. Again, exhale, try to touch your head on the feet now. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale again, come up. Press your palm, exhale, jump back into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Now just again bend your knees down front into Dandasana and lay down on your back for Shavasana and relax yourself for a few seconds. Lay down on your back. So relax your muscles, your each and every part of your body. Now turn yourself to the left side. Press with your right hand and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your back straight and straight. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Now we'll chant one time Om followed by 3 Shanti. Take a deep inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Join your both palms together, rub your both palms. Apply on your face, apply on your eyes, apply on your whole body. And then gently bow down your head towards God and thank God giving us strength for today's class. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste to everyone.
Namaste.
Thank you,
So
sir.
Ishwan, welcome Ishwan to ask anything you can ask.
I don't think I can ever do Marchasana.
Just a
It's okay. We should have to just try. It's okay. We cannot do some poses. Even I cannot do some poses, but it is important if you try.
Yeah, I know. I do try. Thank you.
Anyone
Thank you
else?
for reminding.
How long you been practicing this one?
It's been 4 years. I'm practicing yoga. I'm practicing. It's been 4 years.
Okay. Do you do yoga every single day to be flexible?
Yeah, from few months, like I cannot do exactly because of so many classes per day. But yeah, whenever I get time or whenever I get like a weekend in weekend, I do. I practice my own practice.
Do you do more hatha or ashtanga?
Now I do move vinyasa. I have practiced a lot Ashtanga before. So I have done Hatha also before. I have done 2 years Hatha, 6 months Ashtanga, but now I am more in vinyasa, making my own flows. I practice by making my own flows, try new things. So now
What is the difference between these three?
See, Hatha Yoga is basically like you just have to, you can do any posture. There is so much of holding in Hatha. But in Ashtanga, you require a lot of strength because you have to lift your body, then you have to jump front. But in Vinyasa, it's more like a flow. You go and you move your body, your joints in a flow. You will not stop. You can make your 15-minute flow or 30 minutes flow, 40 minutes flow. Each breath, one movement is Vinyasa.
Ashtanga is the strongest practice for sure.
Yeah, Ashtanga, there is 6 series and you need a lot of practice required to achieve that 6 series properly.
Thank you for reminding me to use the block when jumping forward. It
Yes,
really
yes.
helps. I was happy today. Maybe I did like 3 or 4 jump throughs. So
Oh, very nice.
You are
Yeah,
really doing well, Naringa. You must have done a lot of practice.
thank
yeah,
you.
very nice.
Thank you so much. But thank you so much. But you know, as I said, for Hatha, I teach Hatha, and Hatha is my number one. I love Hatha, and also a bit Vinyasa or Yin or restorative. But Ashtanga is my challenge, and this is why I want to do more.
Yeah.
What is yin and yang? That sounds very Chinese, yin and yang.
Yin yoga is basically like relaxing yoga.
I just started to find out.
You use lot of props in yin yoga. You hold for a long time. It's like relaxing, very relaxing. Nowadays there are a lot of names of yoga, hot yoga, something.
The people
But-
are like changing the names a little bit. to-
A lot of names are coming in yoga right now. So, but hatha yoga is traditional, and most people do hatha yoga basically.
Which one do you recommend to, like in these three, which one is the best?
For beginners, it is very good to do traditional hatha yoga. It is very good because you need to first open your joints to do like various asanas. So in hatha yoga, you work on your joints, little bit on flexibility, mobility, stability in your body. Then you can go forward towards Ashtanga Vinyasa. So I will suggest everyone to just do first hatha yoga, then come for Ashtanga Vinyasa.
Okay.
Okay, namaste everyone. Take care of yourself. Let's meet tomorrow again.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye everyone.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Bye bye.
Bye.